Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Make sure the mini box and TV are powered and the mini remote is missing from sight. First, scan obvious nearby surfaces, sofa creases, under cushions, and between seats, because most remotes fall into gaps. Use a phone flashlight to catch reflections and dark corners. This reveals glossy buttons and edges. Once done, expand to bedside tables and media shelves. You're looking for shape and weight cues. Feeling for a flat oblong is faster than visual searching alone. Now move methodically. Set a perimeter and sweep clockwise so you don't recheck the same spots. Open drawers and lift cushions while keeping your flashlight angled from low to high. This highlights shadows where a remote can hide. Check pockets, kitchen counters, and the laundry. Remotes often travel with hands. If you still can't find it, pause and mentally retrace the last time you used the remote. Memory anchors, like what you were watching or eating, help narrow the search area quickly. Finish with high-probability hiding spots. Look under and behind furniture, inside couch frames, and behind TV appliances. If you still don't find the mini remote, switch to the Sky Q app on your phone to control the box temporarily. This saves time and confirms the mini works. Make sure to check battery status. Sometimes it's found but not responsive. If the remote is malfunctioning, remove old batteries and test with fresh ones. If problems persist, order a replacement or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.